Today, I had a really good sleep. The room was great, but cost 3 times more than a usual hostel. My friend from Ireland, who walked with me to Ponte de Lima, luckily found a place to stay. This city is popular not just with pilgrims but also tourists, and I can see why. Yesterday, I was so tired I couldn't leave the hotel, so I ordered delivery from Glovo. It was super handy, and I was surprised to find Glovo here. This morning, I discovered a cheap cafe near the hostel with very tasty food. After breakfast and taking some food for the road, I didn't expect today's meal to be the best of all, as I was about to tackle one of the most beautiful but difficult routes. By the way, you can find details about the routes, about pilgrims, and what I think about Camino under this video. On the way, you can meet people from all over the world. Most people are from Germany, Canada, and Italy. But also, I met people from New Zealand, South Africa, Brazil, Ukraine, the Czech Republic, France, and other countries. By chance, I filmed a group of Italian friends staying in the same hostel as me. We will have dinner together today and tomorrow walk the last kilometers in Portugal, crossing the bridge from Valencia to Tue, Spain. Ponte de Lima is one of the oldest towns in Portugal and is full of history and culture. Here are some interesting facts about this lovely place. The town is named after a Roman bridge that crosses the Lima River. This bridge was a major part of the Roman road from Braga to Santiago de Compostela, showing its historical importance as a crossing and trade route. Legend says that Roman soldiers crossing the Lima River thought it was the mythical river Lethe, the river of forgetfulness. They were scared to cross it, fearing they would lose their memories. Caesar Augustus told his soldiers to cross the river to show that it was just a myth. Ponte de Lima is also famous for its well-preserved medieval buildings, including Baroque churches and elegant manors scattered across the old town, which create a unique atmosphere of the past.
I told about myself. I like walking.
Yeah.
And I don't like to sit in one place for more time.
Yeah, I understand. So same here. I like walking a lot. And I always wanted to do a solo trip.
Okay.
So this is the first time I'll be gone on my own for 2 weeks.
Oh.
And yeah, the idea of going to Santiago, it appealed to me, and also the fact that you walk through villages, that there's always a bed and food available. It's completely different than hiking for 2 weeks in the forest with camping gear. So, and so far I'm very much enjoying it. Yeah, I thought to myself when I had lunch in Ponte de Lima, oh, if I was here on a city trip or a longer weekend, I would explore the entire city, but now there's no time. But maybe, yeah, I can come back in a couple of years doing a road trip with car.
Oh, okay. Bye.
Bye.
On the road, I met a girl who loves mountain hiking, so she decided to walk the Camino. Throughout the journey, she was the only one whose pace I couldn't keep up with. I usually pass people quickly, but her pace was athletic. I guess I was just tired on the 4th day.
Bon Camino! It's spiritual. The second part.
It was a steep climb, and there was a moment when I took a wrong turn and had to turn back. I thought today would be the toughest, but the descent was as steep and long as the climb. You go down much faster, but that doesn't mean it's easy. I almost stopped filming after that.
Don't think you're just going.
I stayed in a very cozy place with a private room.
How many pilgrims are in this time?
Today?
The host's hospitality was incredible. He took us to his brother's restaurant for dinner. For just about 10 euros, I had one of the best and most filling dinners ever, especially after such a tough day. Over a beer, we ate, reminisced about today's journey, laughed, switched from Italian to English, but understood each other.
No,